Hey boys and girls, today we're going to read Pip and Posy, The Snowy Day by Axel Scheffler. I love snow stories. This is a good one. It was a very snowy day. Pip and Posy wanted to go out and play. So they put on their warm sweaters, their striped socks, their puffy coats, their waterproof boots, their cozy scarves, and their woolen mittens. Then they went out into the snow. Wherever they walked, they left big footprints. They caught snowflakes on their tongues. They even made snow angels with big wings. They were having so much fun. Then they pulled their sled up to the top of the hill and zoomed down the other side. Whee! They shouted. Then Posy had an idea. Let's build a snow mouse, she said. But I want to make a snow rabbit, says Pip. Snow mouse, said Posy. Snow rabbit, said Pip. Oh no. Posy was so mad at Pip that she threw the snow creature's head at him. Oh dear! Then Pip was even angrier with Posy, so he pushed her very hard and she fell into the snow. Oh dear. Now Pip and Posy were both very cold and very sad. Poor Pip. Poor Posy. Then Posy did a very kind thing. I am sorry for making you all snowy, Pip, she said. And I am sorry for pushing you, said Pip. They decided to go back inside where it was nice and warm. They took off all their wet things, and then they got out their clay and made mice and rabbits. And frogs and pigs and birds and elephants and cows and giraffes. Hooray!